So in arithmetic question, sometimes you're asked to find, for example, the 100th term or the 50th term. Now there's no point of just going through it until you find that. Is so time consuming. There's a very simple way to find. So step number one was to find the sequence formula, and that is very easy. It's going to be involving n, so it's going to be something times n, then plus minus a number. You just find the difference between each term. In this case, it's going to be plus 7, so you're just going to put 7n in here. Now, what you're going to add or minus, just go back a term. Obviously, if you go back a term, you're going to do minus 7, so you're going to get 1. That number, it's going to be here. In this case, positive, so I'll put plus 1. Now, you're going to substitute 100 with n, so you're going to get 7 times 100 plus 1, so this is going to be 700 plus 1, so your final answer would be 701.